Today we're going to be taking a really quick look at this large flower press. This is a really great tool for doing DIY floral artwork. The construction is really nice. It's all bamboo embossed with this pretty flower pattern. With all the assembly materials out, it pretty much goes together like this. So it goes together nice and easy. There's basically just some screws on the side pieces, some bolts that come up through the bottom, and then the plate slides in on top. So essentially this allows you to put flowers up against a piece of paper and press them into an artwork on a sheet. All right, so we were able to find some nice flowers in the yard. We're going to use these for our press. And we're just going to decorate the sheet. Really anything you do is going to look great. So we have them in the configuration that we want. And the way the press works is you put the foam on the bottom, then the drying sheet, and then the blotting paper. And we'll do the same thing going the other direction. So we're going to put blotting paper on top, drying sheet on top, the foam on top, and then we're going to press it down. Now we can put our pressure plate on. We just need to put washers and wing nuts on each of these. So kind of like tightening on a wheel onto a car, you go from bolt to bolt, tightening just a little bit at a time. That's kind of what we're doing here, is we're going to press everything down, kind of going across all the bolts just a little bit at a time so we get nice even pressure. All right, as you can see, everything is pressed down nice and tight now. And the instructions say to leave it like this for 2 to 7 days. So we're going to check back in a couple days and see our artwork. All right, so it's been 3 days. We've allowed enough time to let our flowers cure into our artwork, and we're going to open up our flower press and see what we have. All right, the moment of truth. Oh, wow. We had our individual petals kind of in different places. They're going to not be attached. If you're trying to make a piece of artwork that's all connected into one piece, you'll want to overlay them so that when they press together, they come out in kind of a solid piece. And that can be removed. You could glue that into a book. There's lots of different things you can do with it, but you can see that it did a really good job flattening them out. They're more dry than they were when we put them in. Really cool. It almost looks like a rainstorm of red flowers. Maybe that's what I'll call it. So very nice. The flower press works really well. Huge thanks to the brand for sending this out for review.